On November 21st, Insta360 introduced a new series of action cameras, the Insta360 Ace, which includes the Ace and Ace Pro models, priced at $379 and $449. From their appearance, it's clear that the Ace series is the most traditionally designed and sport camera-like in the Insta360 lineup. Both the Ace Pro and Ace feature a square, gray body with rounded corners. The body is covered with a matte, non-slip material that enhances the camera's sealing and durability, making it less prone to bumps and scratches. The lens cap has a square design with rounded corners, and ND filters can be attached using external accessories. Next to the lens is a small screen used solely to display shooting parameters, and below the screen is a long-shaped recording light. Compared to the old design where the recording light was squeezed into the corner of the body, the design of the Ace series is much more prominent. However, nowadays, action cameras have already entered the era of dual-screen framing. When shooting a selfie vlog, if the front screen can only display parameters, it is more troublesome to either adjust the position first or monitor it with a phone. But this is not a problem for the Ace Pro with its flip screen. The flip screen design of the Ace Pro is similar to the flip screen of the Insta360 Go 3 expansion cabin. It supports a maximum flip of 180 degrees into selfie mode, allowing users to frame shots directly through the screen. The rear screen is not limited in size and proportion like the front small screen, so users can see the most complete framing picture, which is why the flip screen is more useful than the front screen. The screen hinge supports suspension at any angle. When mounted on the handlebars of a bicycle, it can be flipped to a waist-level view, making it more convenient to adjust parameters without having to bend down and touch the screen. In terms of buttons, the Ace Pro only retains the power and record buttons. The QS Quick Mode button, common on action cameras, is reserved on the Ace but integrated into the power button on the Ace Pro. The TF card slot, USB-C port, and battery compartment are located on the left and right sides of the body, respectively. The protective cover on the side of the card slot and port can be removed, allowing for the installation of a dedicated USB-C to 3.5mm audio accessory for external microphone connection. The Ace series features a new quick-release interface design at the bottom. The quick-release base can be installed by aligning it with the slot at the bottom of the body, and it's secured with a click sound. The quick-release interface includes a magnetic attraction, but it's mainly used for positioning and foolproofing. Its magnetic force is much weaker than that of the Go 3's expansion cabin, so it cannot be directly attached to metal surfaces. Strong clamps and other accessories are needed for mounting. For this reason, Insta360 has launched a magnetic quick-release accessory with a 1/4-inch screw port and a foldable 2-prong base. The design of the foldable 2-prong base allows the Ace series to be compatible with previously released Insta360 accessories. This dual-interface design facilitates the connection of various tripods, clamps, and other mounting tools. The quick-release base also has a slide rail, which can be used to add a cold shoe, making it convenient for users to add a small fill light or fix a microphone. In terms of configuration, the Ace Pro camera is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor and a lens co-developed with Leica, supporting up to 48 million pixels for photo shooting and 4K 120p slow-motion recording. The Insta360 Ace, on the other hand, uses a 1/2-inch CMOS and also supports 48 million pixel photo shooting, with the highest recording specification of 6K 30p, but lacks the Leica-developed part. Besides the regular JPEG and PureShot modes, the Ace Pro also offers a RAW photo option, convenient for users who need post-processing. The image style of the Ace Pro when shooting in 4K 60p is not much different from its photos, also featuring vivid and bright colors and a clear picture. The sudden drop in resolution at the center of the image issue, which was encountered in the initial firmware of the Insta360 Go 3, does not exist in the Ace Pro, and the initial firmware is much more complete. When shooting, the Ace Pro can enable 2x lossless zoom, with no significant degradation in sharpness and still decent detail performance, more intuitive and convenient than post-processing zoom. In 4K 30p mode, the Ace Pro supports motion HDR mode, which doesn't produce issues like trailing in a wide range of camera movements or when shooting videos with large motion amplitudes, and it can retain more visual details. The Ace Pro also offers a dedicated night scene video mode. In this mode, the camera's 5nm AI chip applies algorithms for noise reduction and other processing. The mode brightens the overall shot, maintaining a clean image. The highlights are a bit higher than in regular mode, but not overly exposed, and a simple post-edit can make it usable. Moreover, the night scene video mode has no specific requirements for dynamic or static scenes. If you don't mind the maximum specification being only 4K 30p, then simple walking scenes can also be used. More importantly, turning on the highest level of stabilization in the Ace Pro does not result in significant cropping, and the selfie angle does not get cropped into a close-up. Users don't have to compromise between angle and stabilization strength, and can usually keep the highest level of stabilization on. Speaking of image quality and initial firmware stability, the Ace Pro has indeed made significant progress compared to previous models. Coupled with its already excellent stabilization, it is very comfortable for first-time users. But these are just parts of enhancing the user experience. What also makes it comfortable for users is the interaction. In terms of control, the Ace Pro has upgraded its voice control to 2.0 and added a gesture control feature. Before using it, you need to activate it from the drop-down menu. Once activated, set up your shot, and when you're ready, simply raise your hand with all 5 fingers extended towards the camera. The camera will recognize this gesture and start recording automatically. Raising your hand again will stop the recording. The Ace Pro is equipped with a 5nm AI processing chip, which, after enhanced computing power, provides an AI highlight assistant feature. Turn it on in the status bar before shooting, and the camera will automatically identify highlight moments in the video. After connecting the camera to the app will push automatically edited highlight moments to the users. This content is also presented in the Memories module, where users can view collections from different times, like a day or a week, making it easier to quickly find video material. In the future, Insta360 might optimize the algorithm model through firmware upgrades, expanding the types of recognition by the AI highlight assistant to support more sports and scenes, similar to how a camera's autofocus system is designed. Ace Pro has also added small operations in recording control, such as the ability to long press the record button to cancel unwanted segments. The ability to pause and resume recording during the process is a convenient feature for users. In terms of software, the previous AI auto-editing function is still available, allowing users to quickly produce a video after importing materials. With the new app version for iOS, users can now download videos and photos from the camera in the background, without worrying about the app occupying the screen for a long time. For editing effects, a new AI Magician feature has been added. This feature works by uploading materials to a server, where AI processes and creates videos in different styles, currently offering cyber, sci-fi, space, animation, retro, and voxel styles. Users can also input commands for custom effects. Once uploaded, the app automatically generates an AI video. Besides the AI Magician, Insta360 has added an ND filter effect feature, simulating the effect of slowing down the shutter and increasing motion blur as if an ND filter were used, allowing users to achieve similar effects without an actual ND filter. If users want to control light with an ND filter, the Ace Pro supports external ND filter accessories, which can be purchased from the official store. Regarding stability and battery life, the Ace Pro is equipped with a 1650 mAh battery and supports PD fast charging, which can charge from 0 to 80% in 22 minutes and fully charge in 46 minutes. The official statement is that this battery can support 100 minutes of recording in 4K 30p under default mode. If you're just regularly shooting vlogs or simple life segments, then having 2 extra batteries should be enough. Paired with a charging manager like the one for Insta360 X3, which can charge multiple batteries at once, makes it even more convenient. With its large body volume, the Ace Pro also has certain advantages in heat dissipation. During normal mixed use, the temperature increase rate is relatively slow, so there's generally no need to worry about overheating. Overall, the Ace Pro is a traditionally designed, user-friendly sports camera. The Ace Pro uses a larger sensor, laying the foundation for quality imaging. Insta360's accumulation and stabilization, image algorithms, and auto-editing enhances the lower limits of camera shooting. The addition of AI functions provides a quick option for creative content. New interactions enable users to conveniently control the camera in various scenarios. Moreover, the Ace series hasn't made significant changes to its interface. The introduction of a magnetic quick-release interface is more for user convenience in switching. Fundamentally, the camera still uses a 1/4-inch screw hole and a 2-prong base for connecting accessories. This means that users only need to buy one magnetic quick-release accessory to directly use their existing accessories and attachments of the same standard from other brands, which is very user-friendly for both new and existing users. So, if you're initially considering an Insta360 sports camera, whether you're an old hand or a newbie in sports cameras, the Ace Pro is currently the best choice. If you want multiple camera positions, choosing the Insta360 Ace for supplemental positions is also an option. But for a one-stop choice, the Insta360 Ace Pro is the preferred choice.